Hi, I'm Linda Daniels, and this is Inside Northampton Wools. I got a box today and I'm so excited about it. I had to do this impromptu little video. I wish the Monday morning class was here because everybody in the Monday morning class has made at least one of the Serenity cowls. Everybody loves this cowl. It fits great, it lays great, and it comes in exquisite colors of the Serenity 20 from Zen Yarn Garden. So many people in that class made this that it was really funny one day when all of them ended up wearing it to class. We have a picture of that, and I don't think any of them are in the witness protection program, so I don't think they'll mind if I put that picture up. We sold so many of these that we're down to these remaining few skeins. The pattern is free when you buy the yarn. The yarn is a wool and cashmere blend, so it makes it really soft and really drapey. It's perfect for this cowl. Well, Zen Yarn Garden finally decided to put together what they call a grab bag of their colors. So I, very smartly I think, ordered 2 of the grab bags. So in this box is a set of 40 skeins, and I don't have any idea of what the colors are. So you will get to see what colors there are at the same time that I do. I'm gonna open the box, and like I said, I wish Monday was here because they'd be all over it. But I'm gonna open the box now and show you what's in there. Here we go. I can hear you all, just stop talking. Open the box. I expect when I open this cardboard box that light will come out of the box. Here we go. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love it here. We've got some white or off-white skeins with speckles, lilac-y kind of periwinkle color. Oh, I can't wait to see what those whites knit up like. Gray. Yeah, Beth, you're allowed to go ooh. Oh my goodness. 40 skeins, I feel like I can't get them out fast enough. So, here we go. Look at this color. These are brilliant. Really, really beautiful. We have not yet found a color that does not knit up exquisitely in this yarn. Look at that red and orange. Oh, beautiful. Tan. So here's 40 skeins of an assortment of colors. If you would like one, email me at linda@northamptonwools.com. Give me a general idea because we're not going to go through and say what each color name is, that you want purple, that you want a blue, and we'll try to put one aside for you. In the email, put your phone number and I'll call you and get back to you and we'll discuss how to get the yarn to you. We include the pattern, like I said, free if you need it with the yarn, with the purchase of the yarn. And I am going to do a little video on the cast on and joining for this cowl and how to do the yarn over knit 2 together pattern as well. So look for that a little bit later on. That basically is it for our first little YouTube podcast show, videocast show. Please like it, please make kind comments, but most importantly subscribe because we will be doing a lot of these. Thanks a lot everybody. Now it's knitting time.